if you kind of are like me, they have all this mess over here with all these little boxes that you got from the store, you may want to pay attention to this kind of like suitcase with 34 compartments for each one of your screws. This one right here, it is kind of like, you're gonna see like a suitcase for sure, but you're gonna see something really good that I'm gonna show you in a few seconds on a close-up, is that each one of this, take a look at this, you can actually have one, or you can actually have the other side. So that's how you're gonna get those 34 compartments. And by the way, something that I'm just seeing right now that I made a huge mistake is that each one of these, you can divide it in the sections that you want and depending on the size. So that's actually really good thing. And by the way, you can actually use this one, you know what, for what? For fishing. For lures, you can actually use this one as well. But for the screws, this one is really good. It's 10 inches by 12 inches. And then I'm going to just show you every compartment in a close-up right now. So what I like about this one is, number one, it comes with locks. So this won't open easily. This won't even open when it's locked. Then once you unlock this one, you're gonna see that, as I was telling you before, you can just rearrange every single one of these ones and create your own spaces, your own place for all your screws, or why not, as I was telling you before, for your fishing lures. But then once you're done, you can just do this and drop every single one of these ones, and just making sure that you have all those little boxes that you grab from the store in a place that, of course, well, not doing that, of course, but just making sure that you have all your screws in one single place. And then once you close it up, let me actually show you right now. I'm gonna put this ones too. Why not? Let's actually put them right here together, just right here. And once you're done, actually just put this one too, this little guy over here. And once you're done, and remember, you can just remove this, super nice and easy. You just do this, lock it. Once that is locked, just like that, won't open again. And you can see that they stay in place. So as I was telling you before, 34 compartments, 34 in this. I don't remember how many you have on this side, but remember you can actually take this out and make one big compartment on one side for tools if you want, and on the other side have all the dividers for the screws. So that's another good thing. It's 12 by 10 inches, and of course you can actually take it with you to your work site without any issues. I like it. I do recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.